Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can display information on the query plan using the db.collection.explain method. So using the explain method you can display the query plan, the query optimizer, that is the details the plan selected by the query optimizer, the execution stats as well as the server info. So let's see how we can display. So let's see the databases we have. Now we have a demo database. Enter the database using use command, press enter. Now let's see the collections we have. Using the show collections command, press enter. We have three collections: client, department and employee. Let's see what we have under employee collection. Using db.collection, that is db.employee, because our collection name is employee. .find method, press enter. Let's format it using pretty method, press enter. So we have four documents here in employee collection. Let's now use the explain method using db.collection, that is db.employee .explain method, press enter. I should write find. It's fine now. Now press enter. Here it is. The query planner info, as I told you before, it will show the query planner info, the server info, and the same is visible here. This displays the plan selected by the query optimizer. So guys, in this video we saw how we can work with the explain method in MongoDB to display query info as well as the execution stats. With that, the server info is also visible. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.